everyone, Chris here. Welcome to today's episode of Life. I'm Sarah, and today we are going to talk about breaking free from the obsession with chicken breast and exploring a protein-rich diet without meat. Let's dive right in. We've all heard the common knowledge of trimming down on fat and building muscle during a diet. That's why when we make the decision to embark on a diet, one of the things we do is fill our refrigerators with chicken breast. It's a food that's low in fat and high in protein, making it a staple in any diet plan. However, it's important to note that protein isn't exclusively found in meat. Today, we'll take a closer look at a protein-rich diet that doesn't rely on meat. Protein plays a crucial role in muscle formation, synthesis, recovery, and various other bodily functions. This is why people on a diet prefer chicken breast. It's rich in protein and low in fat. But there are vegetables that are equally rich in protein. For instance, broccoli and spinach stand out for their high protein content among vegetables. While most vegetables contain around 1 gram of protein per 100 gram, broccoli boasts approximately 3 grams of protein per 100 gram. Spinach, on the other hand, is also protein-rich, with about 1/3 of its nutritional content being protein. Not only do these vegetables provide a substantial amount of protein, but they also contribute to a balanced diet without the need for meat. A renowned trainer is famous for achieving bodybuilding success through a vegetarian diet, even practicing for veganism. This demonstrates that it's entirely possible to build muscle without relying on meat. Both broccoli and spinach are best enjoyed lightly cooked or lightly steamed, rather than consumed raw. While many believe that cooking vegetables may destroy their nutrients, it's worth noting that certain nutrients are more bioavailable after being heated up. Broccoli contains a component called carotenoids, known for its cancer-fighting properties. During the cooking process, these compounds become concentrated, making them more readily absorbed by the body. Similarly, spinach is packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. To enhance absorption, blanching in boiling water for 30 seconds is recommended. Moving on, let's explore meat from the field, hemp seed, and the protein powerhouse quinoa. Hemp seeds are packed with nutrition and are currently gaining popularity as a superfood. They surpass even white chickpeas, often referred to as the meat from the field in protein content. While 100 grams of white chickpeas contain 22.3 grams of protein, hemp seeds boast 36 grams. That's nearly 5 times the protein content of tofu, which is well known for being protein-rich at 7.8 grams per 100 grams. Quinoa is another standout grain praised for its exceptional protein content among plants. It gained fame as a diet food for celebrities and has been recognized as a grain that rivals milk in protein content. While 100 grams of low-fat milk contains 3 to 4 grams of protein, quinoa packs in over 14 grams. Hemp seeds are best consumed raw, as they have a creamy, nutty texture that adds a delightful crunch to dishes. They can be sprinkled over cooked rice, used in cereals, or tossed in salads. Quinoa, on the other hand, needs to be cooked. Place quinoa and water in a pot in a 1:2 ratio. Bring it to a boil, then adjust the heat to simmer from low to medium for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will result in perfectly tender quinoa. Its delightful crunch makes it a great addition to salads or a perfect companion to rice when cooked together. Today, we've explored various options for getting enough protein without relying on meat. Finding what works best for you among these diverse choices can help you maintain a healthy diet and achieve your desired physique. If you have any further questions or would like more detailed information, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.